In 2022, the U.S. produced an estimated 4.3 million bushels of soybeans. These soybeans play a big role in our daily lives, as they are used to create a variety of products. One of the most well-known food items made from soybeans is tofu, which is used as a vegetarian protein source and is also a key ingredient in many Asian dishes. Other important soybean products include soy protein and biodegradable plastics. But how exactly are these soybeans harvested, and what equipment is used in the process? Join us as we delve into the topic of soybean harvesting in the United States and show your support by hitting the like button. The term soy itself suggests that it belongs to the family of beans. This plant grows in small leafy bushes that produce flowers and fuzzy green pods. Each pod usually contains 3 beans. During autumn, the bean pods are left on the plants to dry and turn brown. Once the leaves fall off, the soybeans are ready for harvest. A large harvesting machine called a combine is used to cut the plants and separate the dried beans from the pods. The final result is a small dry bean that looks like a brown version of a dried pea. Many individuals are introduced to the delightful taste of soy through a variety of food items. Tofu, a staple in many kitchens, is crafted from the humble soybean. And of course, soy sauce, the essence of many a culinary creation, is derived from these same beans. The delicately flavored edamame, a common sight in grocery stores and Asian restaurants, is a type of soybean. Let us not forget the creamy and nutty flavor of soy milk, or the satisfying crunch of soy nuts. And for those with a sweet tooth, there's even soy ice cream, a delight for the taste buds. The big culinary use, however, soy-derived oil, which is now the primary ingredient in many products labeled as vegetable oil in the U.S. So if you're wondering if you personally have ever consumed any soy products, the answer is almost certainly a hearty yes. Here's an interesting fact though. Many of the soy products you eat are actually made with imported soybeans. The stuff American farmers grow here, most of that gets put to other uses. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, for instance, over 70% of U.S. soybean production gets used for animal feed. In the feed sector, poultry farmers are the biggest consumers of soybeans, followed by pigs, dairy cows, beef cattle, and aquaculture. Only about 15% of the soy crop goes to human consumption, primarily in the form of cooking oils, according to the USDA. Another 5% goes to biodiesel. The remainder gets split among a variety of uses, such as industrial applications and organic foods. Each year, the U.S. yields a bountiful harvest of over 4 billion bushels of soybeans, a feat made possible only through a remarkable planting, harvesting, and processing operation. From the skilled hands of farmers to the cutting-edge machinery employed, every aspect of this process is essential to producing such a vast quantity. Time of the year affect the productivity in soybean farming to a great extent. Soybean planting is best carried out in the early months of the year. According to a study conducted by Cornell University, soybeans can be planted in late April or early May in certain regions, though erratic growth patterns may occur, making an insecticide-fungicide seed treatment advisable for planting during this time frame. Early season planting has the potential to improve soybean yield, with each day of delay reducing yield by up to 1.2% if planting occurs after early June. To further enhance the benefits of early season planting, including improved yield, a later maturing variety with a longer maturity group designation can be used without incurring extra costs. The seeding rate for soybeans should be adjusted based on the planting date, with higher seeding rates recommended for later plantings. On the other hand, using lower seeding rates for early season planting may result in lower yields, but it will lead to reduced input costs and increase maximum net income. Furthermore, the use of narrow rows has been shown to increase yields compared to 30-inch row spacing across all planting dates, with the optimal seeding rate for narrow rows not higher than that for wider rows. Seed treatments are particularly beneficial when pests are present in the seed bed, especially during early season planting. Soybean begins to develop by the end of September. Soybean plants' leaves become yellow as the days shorten and the temperature falls. The ripe soybean pods will be seen after the leaves turn brown and fall off in the middle of October or November. To be precise, the soybeans are now ripe enough for harvest. Soya beans, maize, and wheat are harvested using combined harvesters and massive harvesting machines. Header, front of combine, chops and gathers soybean plants. After separating the pods and stem from the beans, the combine takes the beans to a tank at the rear of the machine, stored until harvest time. The soybeans will be emptied onto a grain truck when the tank is full. When soybeans are not sold immediately, they are either held at storage facilities or transported straight to a grain dealer in grain trucks. A processed facility is used to separate the soybean meal from soy oil components once the soybeans are harvested. After the soybeans are harvested, the fields are typically plowed to prepare the soil for the next crop. Plowing helps to incorporate crop residue into the soil, breaking up compacted soil and reducing the buildup of plant pathogens. Once the soybeans have been harvested, they undergo a crucial step known as milling before being used in various products. Milling entails grinding the soybeans into a fine powder, which forms the basis for the creation of delectable items such as tofu, soy milk, and textured vegetable protein. The milling process comprises of several key stages, including cleaning, hulling, and grinding the soybeans, each one essential in transforming the beans into the versatile ingredient that it is. The cycle then begins anew with the sowing process. Sowing refers to the planting of the next crop in the field after the soybeans have been harvested, which is typically done in either the fall or spring, depending on the local climate and growing conditions. This process involves preparing the soil, carefully planting the seeds, and providing the necessary care and attention to ensure successful growth and development. Mid-June is the best time for sowing soybean. Seeds should be sown by seed drill method in rows spacing 45 to 50 centimeters, and seeds spacing between 4 to 7 centimeters. Seed rate of 25 to 30 kg is preferred for sowing in 1-acre land. In the past, every aspect of soybean farming, from harvesting, planting, milling, plowing, to sowing, was accomplished solely by human labor. However, the introduction of advanced, highly efficient, and massive machines has changed the way soybean farming is done. With the help of these machines, farmers are now capable of meeting the food demands of a massive population with ease and efficiency. The machines have revolutionized agriculture, allowing farmers to work faster, more efficiently, and on a larger scale than ever before. Now, next-generation harvesters are used to level up the production. A soybean harvester is a machine that is specifically designed to harvest soybeans. These harvesters have the ability to simultaneously cut, thresh, and clean the soybeans, making the harvest process more efficient and less labor-intensive. The harvester's large grain tank allows it to harvest large areas of crops in a single day, while its advanced combine head minimizes grain loss and maximizes the quality of the harvested crops. Many soybean harvesters are equipped with advanced technology, such as GPS and yield monitoring systems, which help to optimize the efficiency and productivity of the harvest operation. John Deere X9 1100 is the largest combine ever produced by John Deere. It is designed to handle the most demanding harvesting tasks with ease. With a capacity of up to 460 bushels and a 603 horsepower engine, this behemoth is able to harvest up to 300 acres of grain per hour. It is equipped with advanced AI technology such as AutoTrack automated steering and a Harvest Smart system, which helps to optimize grain quality and yield. It is a highly efficient machine that is used by farmers and grain producers around the world to harvest a variety of crops. Tractors also play a crucial role in soybean farming, as they are capable of performing a wide range of tasks necessary for successful crop production. These tasks include tillage, planting, harvesting, hauling, and more. Tractors equipped with advanced technology and innovative features help to optimize the efficiency of these tasks, reducing the time and effort required to complete them. For example, tractors with advanced hydraulic systems allow for precise control of implements and planting depth, spacing, and other important variables, which can help to maximize yield and quality. The John Deere 8R series tractor is a popular choice for soybean farmers due to its versatility and efficiency. These tractors are designed to handle a variety of tasks in soybean farming, from tillage and planting to harvesting and hauling. One of the key features of the 8R series is its range of horsepower options, which allows farmers to choose the tractor that best fits their needs. The tractors also offer advanced hydraulic systems, which provide precise control of implements and allow for efficient operation. Which machines do you think is most important in soybean farming? Comment down below.